All right. It's another Saturday, and we are welcoming you back to this channel. We are really appreciating those people that have tuned in. You that have tuned in, what you can do, share this video so that we have a lot of viewers, because you know we are taking this platform to another level. We appreciate so much. As we talk, we are at 13.5k subscriptions. Thank you so much. Today we are bringing you the Super Sato.
No English dictionary has been able to explain the difference between complete and finished. Even Omari has been saying that there is no difference, but there is. You see, when you marry a good woman, you are complete. But when you marry a wrong wife, you are finished. When your wife catches you with another woman, you are completely finished. But when you marry a woman who loves shopping so much, my friend, you are finished completely.
All right, thank you very much, guys. We are here back with Super Sato as usual. Today is Saturday, and you know, I bring you the Super Sato as usual. Today, this show is very super, as we always say. This is the only platform there where you can see those people that you are longing to see, to hear from those people that you really long to hear from. And today I have this guy here by the name Kalausi. This is a guy that has been trending in different corners of this country, and today I have him here, Kalausi mwenyewe, or you can as well call him Kalausi. You want to know the story of this young man? He's multi-talented. He has been doing amazing job on YouTube and TikTok. I know, as I say that way, you know this figure. You've been seeing him. I don't want to explain more. I don't want to exploit it, because I have this person here, and I'll not be talking on behalf of someone while the person is here in the room. The person that is bringing to you this show, as usual, I'm called MC Omari Nash. And for those people that are maybe lucky to hear the French, then you can call me MC Omari Nash. Da Congo de Nigichake Koreku Bnereo to Port Choco Strong Tea. You can as well call me Omari Chino Jemonembele Chiene Mwangi Otombele Emwahodo. That one is French, because you know I was in France for some given point. Come and watch the story of this young man, Kalausi or Kalausi. All right, Kalausi.
Yes, Omari.
Hey,
What do you say?
hey.
You know, umesikia nimeanza na Chinese.
What do you say?
What do you say wacho nango? Sijui mbona hiyo Chinese nataka kukuja sana. Unajua ni venye nilikuwa chongi huko.
By the way, before we begin, which is your best language so far that we can use maybe as I do you the interview?
English and Kiswahili.
It's very okay. Than if we use the Chinese.
English and Kiswahili is a very fine thing.
All right, those people that have tuned in, I told you that I'm bringing you this guy, and you've known this guy for a long time. Today is here in Super Sato. So what's your real name? You know, people know you to be this guy here. How do they call you?
Kalausi
or Kalausi. So what's your name, by the way?
My real name is Ochieng Eli.
Ochieng Eli.
A little guy from lower Europe.
Wanatutesa.
A little guy from lower Europe.
You get somebody is being called Kalausi only to realize that is Louis Ochieng.
Ochieng Eli.
Willie Paul. Willie Sopon. Why are you people? Where are you?
But that is a stage name.
All right.
Kalausi is a stage name.
Okay.
You know, when you come to industry, you have to figure out the name that you want to use in the industry.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now tell me your brief story, your educational background. You know, when people sees you this way, they wonder, are you really learned, or do you have some papers behind your behind you, or are there maybe a certain course that you maybe pursued or something?
In terms of education,
I
didn't go further with education.
Yeah.
Because the school was just near at our home. So sikuendea mbali, ilikuwa tu hapo karibu na nyumbani.
Okay.
So I studied up to Form 4.
You didn't go far with education.
I didn't go further with education.
Because the school was just next.
At home. Yeah. Ni kuvuka tu railway line na uko shule. So sikuwa naitafutia mbali.
All right.
Actually, honestly, nimefika Form 4. Yeah, I didn't manage to any institute because of lack of
funds. All right.
Lack of fees zote. So niliamua tu nianze kwa hustle.
Okay.
About love story, mimi ni msemo mwenye amelelewa na great grandmom. Total orphan, first born in the family of 2. Yeah, mimi ndio mkubwa and I'm having a sister kwa nyumbani. Yeah. Tumelelewa na great grandmom. Kuhustle si kuanza juzi.
So inamaanisha you are orphan as we talk, huh?
Yeah.
The parents are not there. So by the time you are growing up, they were not there by then.
Hawako hapo. Niliwapoteza nikiwa at class 2.
Oh, sorry. That's a very, very sad story that people do not know. So
yeah.
That is why we have the Super Sato, because you know when you see this guy trending in different corners of this country, then you might not know some of the dark stories about this guy. But if you come to one-on-one Super Sato, then you'll be able to know the stories that none will tell you, only on Super Sato every Saturday at 9 o'clock. 2022, I'm telling you, big things are rolling. So today, this guy is going to tell us a brief story how he came to be the Kalausi that we know today, how everything started, and why is it that there were several professions, but this guy did not venture into them, only decided to come to the comedy. So you are telling me that hustling?
Kuhustle si kuanza juzi. I started it while I was in class 4.
Class 4.
Class 4. So unaona nikiwa class 4 huko Ushago.
Ushago ni wapi?
Kisumu. Moroni sub county. Chemelil location, Kibigori sub location. Where we do plant sugarcane.
Yeah.
Sugarcane. So unaona hapo ile activity ilikuwa inafanyika huko ni ya kupanda miwa. Sugarcane plantation.
I understand.
So that was the hustling. I mean the hustle that watu wote walikuwa wanaiendea kupanda, kuikata, kuipalilia. Yeah. So at class 4 nilikuwa najiuliza, unajua sasa great grandmom pale yuko pale amechoka, miaka pia zimesonga.
Yeah.
Auntie mwenye ako Nairobi pia anakawia sana kuturushia usaidizi huku. So nilikuwa naangalia tu nasema, why should I just start this by myself? Nianze kuzoea na maisha mapema. So nikaanza kuchukua jembe, kupalilia mtu shamba. Sometimes unapata 70 bob, sometimes 50. Basi nilikuwa najikimu nayo kimaisha.
Naam.
Unapata that 50 unanunua kaomena ya 25. Kale kadogo sasa juu tuko tatu, mimi, great grandmom na sis. Alafu unanunua
so uko na sister?
Niko na sister. Yeye ndio mdogo wangu. Alafu sasa unanunua kale kama mafuta ya kupika. Kimbo ile ilikuwa inapimwa solid. Hiyo. By the time unanunua hiyo, unafaa ugawe ka portion yako ya kujipaka wiki mzima. Unaona?
A very sad story. Yeah.
Unagawa that portion ya kujipaka wiki mzima. Na utapaka the only VIP part, ambayo ni mkono na uso. Mguu unaacha hivyo juu unakanyaga barefoot.
No. Hold on a bit. You say that we have some parts that are rated as VIP.
Yeah. Kwa mwili kunakuwa na VIP part.
Kama gani sasa?
Mkono mbona hapa. Unajua watu wanazuia hapa kuparara sana. Ili hata hapa iparare, lakini hapa peke yake itaonyesha wewe ni mchafu. So unapaka hapa na uso. Na uso unaongeza na mate. Unaona? Unaweka hiyo mafuta kidogo, ndio pia hiyo mafuta isiishi haraka, ikusukume wiki mzima. You get the point?
My friend, your story is so sad, but it's looking like a comedy. You know,
inaonekana kama comedy, and the person who can tell you all this now, my sister, great grandmama angeisema exactly when I said hivi, but she passed.
Sorry.
Alikufa ngapo 2020.
Sorry.
Ye anajua everything. Si ati anajua we were with her. Naona tukipitia haya. My sister is also a victim. Tumepitia the same thing. Of which sahi ndio ana benefit. Kuna venye comedy inafanya nipate jina. And through comedy pia unapata mafans pia wanakuambia I want to give you a token. So mimi nikipewa hiyo token na iskuma home na naambia mom nimepata kitu. Sasa ndio sasa sisi wangu wamebaki na shosh sasa. Naambia sisi nimepata kitu hapa lakini acha niwarushie mimi nijitafutie.
So sasa hizi bado ako nyumbani.
Bado ako home.
So ako na shosh.
Sasa ndio sasa ako na shosh.
Ulilelewa na great grand
all that time nimelelewa na great grandmother. Kutoka 2008 until 2020 venye alikufa. Yeah. So kwa 2020 ndio sasa sis ameenda kwa shosh.
Okay.
Sasa ako kwa shosh.
All right.
Yeah.
Now we are still moving on with the story of Kalausi or Kalausi. Is there on Facebook. You can as well follow him on Instagram. Are you on Instagram?
Yeah, at Kalausi comedian.
At Kalausi comedian. This guy is also in TikTok. For those people that have not followed, now you have around how many followers?
192,000 followers.
Wow. Yeah. Congratulations, Heko, to the fans that have made him reach there. What I love with you is that you are always a humble guy, because I always follow how you associate with your fans, you reply and the rest. And for anybody outside there, what we want to tell you is that if you've been put somewhere by anybody, remember where that person has taken you. You know, there are most people that will never appreciate. They will only look at the negative side of yours. So don't be somebody who is criticizing everything, but at given point, try to appreciate any little effort that somebody is doing. That is why I do call you my fans. I call you my kings, because without you people, I cannot sit here doing this for none. If it were just to make a story, then I would have not put this camera in front of us, then we make a story. We would have just switch off everything, then we just make a story. But it's because of our fans. That's why we are here, and the camera is rolling, lights and everything, okay?
So that we can feed them.
We appreciate you so much. Keep on supporting the artist. Like me, I always give a platform to the upcoming artists like me. You know, there is somebody who told me that immediately you'll go away from maybe upcoming artist. You start rating yourself as a star, as a celeb, as everything, then that is when you'll go down.
Yeah.
Is it true?
Exactly.
And that is why I'll keep on calling myself upcoming artist until that time that I'll be leaving this field.
Let the good thing you are doing, or let whatever you are doing to give you a name. Don't give yourself a name. Wacha ile chenye unafanya ndio ikupatie jina. You might think that you are the goodest. Wewe ndio mkali. But don't remember that you are not in the field alone. There are also some people who are coming at your back.
Yeah.
Na kila mtu anatafuta njia ya kufika huko kwenye unaona huko. Unaona? So kila mtu anatumia every corner. Kuna wale wenye sometimes pia wana bribe ndio wapate chance. Ama anatafuta clean content ya kukupita nayo. So wewe ile nafasi yenye utachukua ukianza kuandikana how you are celeb, when you are popular, you are now starting telling us your relationship story on media, umeachana na content. Remember, umepatia ule mse advantage ya kukuja na new content, and now people will be focusing on him or her.
Yeah.
Unaona?
Exactly.
So is you to let what you are doing to give you a name. Hizo zote zinataka kutuambia, let them come after. After people have known. Now people want to know. Sasa wasedi wana demand, can we now know who is this person?
Yeah.
Amekuwa akitu entertain.
Yes.
But we've never heard anything about him or her. Tujui alichongwa kutoka kwa mti, ama alirushwa tu kutoka binguni, ama aliokotwa kando ya mto. Unaona? Yeah. But ukianza tu eti umetoa tu one clip, umeona imepata 20,000 views. Mimi ni mkali, mimi ni mnoma. Kumbuka Omari pia anakuja. Na anakuja na hiyo vernacular zake Na anakupita tu wewe ukishinda hapo wewe ni mkali.
All right, that is Kalausi, as I told you when we were beginning. And now, my friend, umelelewa nyumbani?
Nimelelewa nyumbani. Mimi nimekaa nyumbani. As I was telling you story ya hustle, when nimehustle hivyo ushago, but primary, hivyo nilienda primary. High school nilianza na kuendesha boda. And that's where I got this mark. Nikijifunza pikipiki.
Oh, this mark here.
Yeah. Hiyo sasa nikijifunza kujua pikipiki. Where
it was a fatal accident.
Lori na mimi. Ni mimi ndio niliscramble chini ya lori, nilikuwa nimesimama lori ya mchanga. Nayo nikagwara na ile number plate, ile mabati ya number plate.
Sorry.
But still siku give up kwa kujitafutia.
But you are so young by that time.
Yeah. I paid my own school fees at high school. Kupiga boda, kupeleka shule. Yeah. Even my principal and deputy is a witness. They saw that. I didn't know principal alinitoa kwa pikipiki. It was a day alikuwa naenda home sasa on the evening. Na kaita boda, mimi ndio nilikuwa barabara. So unajua akionanga tu pikipiki yote inakuja yanapik. Si lazima mtu atoke kwa stage.
Yeah.
So upon my arrival kufika nikamtolea helmet ndio akaniona vizuri. Kaniambia mbona unatuharibia jina? Nikamwambia mwalimu, hii si kuharibu jina. Sina uniform, sina hata tai, hata kiatu ya shule sijavaa. Unaona naipiga na slippers yangu, trouser zangu za nyumbani, na sweater yangu. Wewe mwenyewe ndio ulinitoa shule ukaniambia niende home nitafute fee. Kama sina nikae nyumbani hadi nipate. Siwezi kama na ule shosho hajapanda $3 kwa boma yenye atanichunia tu hivi. Unaona na nipatie nikuje nayo. Yeye pia anatafuta, anaomba.
No. Jalas, you should give me something, sanitizer, to sanitize these people. Eti,
shosho
hana $3.
Hajapanda ile $3 tunapata, tunasemanga $3. Yenye ukikuja tunataka pesa, anakuchunia. Ndio hii. Unaona?
This guy is amazing.
So nilimwambia hivyo, akaniambia una benefit nini uko young? Wewe mtoto wa shule, what do you benefit from this? Na nikamwambia chenye napata hapa ndio naonanga nikikuletea kwa ofisi yako nikikwambia niandikie hii na uniambie nimebaki na balance ngapi. You see? So that's what I always get. Ako kama 500 ninaonanga nimekuletea, ujue hiyo ndio chenye nilipata the other day. Ka 1000 inakuletea, ujue that's what I got the other day.
Yeah.
So usionange ati yo si benefit. It gives me something.
Because it's making me to at least be here.
Yeah. Jumi pia nataka nikuwe na certificate like my fellow student.
Ukuwe na paper.
Nikuwe na paper. That when I'll go out mtu aniulize where did you reach with your education?
Yeah,
I can have that confidence ya kumwambia I reached at this point.
Exactly.
Yeah. So aliniambia then I'd really request you uachane na pikipiki. Tomorrow come to my office we talk. Nilienda kwa staff room yake akaniambia I'll give you a chance ufanye mtihani. The remaining balance after exams. Sasa I don't want to care ni nini utafanya, the hustle you'll be doing. Bora tu siku utakuja kuchukua pepa zako, you come with the remaining balance. And I said thanks.
Thank you so much, Mr. Principal. You can just appreciate the principal. What's the name? Mr.
James Ojuang.
Mr.
Not
James
Joseph Ojuang.
Mr. Joseph Ojuang.
Yes.
Where you are, that one was so good. That one was so good. You gave this young man a chance to pursue education.
And his deputy who stood by my side from Form 1 to Form 4.
What's the name?
Mr. Orimbo Charles.
Mr.
Thank you so much.
Orimbo Charles, we salute you. The Team Nash and the one Super Sato, we really appreciate on behalf of our brother Kaka Louis. So that is your story about how your educational background.
And background, yeah.
Now nyumbani na Nairobi. People have been coming to Nairobi to visit their relatives. Some people are coming to pursue education. Like you get that if you hear some of the Churchill comedians, you'll get that, oh, with me I came to Nairobi when I came to pursue my degree in blah 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 blah. I love your dress. Is it a uniform or
design yako design vizuri?
Okay. So how did you find yourself in Nairobi?
Okay, Nairobi nilikuja kwa auntie yangu, sister to my mom. Nikakaa na yeye for only 8 months.
8 months.
Yeah. By that time when nilikuja Nairobi, mimi nilifika Nairobi and the following day nilienda Gikomba ku hustle. Gikomba nimekuwa nikibeba mizigo. Hizo mizigo za viatu. And sikujua on that day. Ile time nilikuwa nga ushago, nikienda Shanga boda, pia auntie alikuwa ananitanga huko. Ananiambia come pay me a visit. Pia ujue Nairobi. Hiyo time nimekuja huku pia nilikuwa nafanya nini? Hiyo kazi ya kubeba huko, natembelea Gikomba. Na beba hata kama ni 3 weeks hiyo duration, hiyo holiday. Naenda huko nabebana na hizo mizigo. Na nilikuwa na appreciate sana kwa sababu napata maana yake a day unaweza toka na 500, ki 800, ki 1000, unaona. So niliona hiyo ni pesa poa. So mimi nilimaliza shule nikakuja huku Nairobi. Chenye nilikuja tu kwa akili yangu nilisema sidhani kama nitaanza kutembelea hao watu wenye wako na private companies wa maduka niombe kazi. Yet nishajua Gikomba tayari. I'll just go straight to Gikomba kwa sababu Gikomba hata kama nimerudi shule nilitoka for 3 months hivi, still my face, people can recall my face. Nilienda huko and people really recalled my face. They were like, "Wewe tulikuanga na wewe, kwani uliendanga wapi?" Unaona? So when nilifika huko, kwa sababu nilianza tu kama kawa. Nikubeba mzigo, ubebe viatu, ubebe nguo. Unapata viatu unabeba na mbao, nguo 30. But sasa unajikaza, ubebe mingi ndio hii pesa pia ikuwe mingi. Lakini ubeba kidogo utapata umefanyia fare na lunch peke yake.
So that is so good. Now that is how you came to Nairobi.
That's how I came to Nairobi.
You know, you've not told us now. How did it happen that you started making these comedies that are going all around, you know?
Comedy, after to hustle all that long, hapo Gikomba, I got a chance at a private company, private shop hapo Gikomba inaitwa Beauty Mitumba Shop. Beauty Mitumba Shop. So hiyo ina import and exporting mizigo kutoka China, viatu na manguo. Nilieko hapo under probation. Ile design yenye unaweka mahali mtu akusome aone can you work? Can you do this job very well? Ukipewa hii kazi utamess nayo ama utaifanya vizuri. I did that actually for 3 months. Naona. Hadi unajua kwa store kulikuwa na CCTV camera and ilikuwa inakuwa monetized na huko go down the main office sasa. So China mwenyewe made a call to this guy, mimi sasa alinisimamia. Akamwambia I want you to sign in that boy. Nimependezwa na venye ana operate that store. Anapanga mzigo very well according to item, ana serve customer vizuri. No. Now, msee naye akawa kitu ingine. Instead ya kuniajiri venye ameambiwa, he took my friend. Akaambia friend wangu, leta 10,000 nikupe job. No. Basi akaona hiyo ni deal poa. Akatoa 10,000. Mimi nikatolewa hivyo. Hata sikuambiwa titoka. Hapo nilijua kufukuza ya kuambia toka. 1st June. That 2021. 1st June 2021 kuingia kwa store nilipata we are now not 3 the way we were. We are now 4. And now the 4th person is fully employed. Unaona? Venye tulikuanga watatu, wawili ndio walikuanga employed. And now the 4th person came, ambao ni huyo best yangu. He never told me anything. Hata hakunipigia simu aniambia you know what. Mwenye amekusimamia pale kwa shop, alinipigia simu akaniambia this and this. Mimi nilishtukia on that day, that 1st June. Nikiingia kwa shop napata tuko waine. Na huyu mse wa 4 anaambiwa venye mzigo ziko, item and prices. So I was like, what is going on today? Roni, ndugu yangu leo anataka kununua mzigo ama nikauliza the lady that was there akaniambia, what happened yesterday is a long story. Sijui venye Robert akuelezea, but we'll just sit down and talk about this. Iligonga tu kwa akili yangu nikajiambia tu ashapeana kazi. I never argued about that, hata sikumuuliza kwa sababu nienda alikuwa na manager shop. So it was his right
to do what
or it was his choice afanye anataka. Yeah. So mimi kuona hivyo nikasema okay bro, you made it. I really appreciate haijaenda mbali, nimekuja kwako. Mimi acha nirudi kwa field yako hustle. Unaona? I came back to my house, Omari. Nikajiuliza now what is mine in Nairobi? Kazi za kuajiriwa zimenishinda. Unaenda kuomba kazi ya kuajiriwa, sana kule down. So I said it's okay. That's where now I started with this comedy thing. I looked at my books because I've been writing script.
Oh, you've been a script writer?
Yeah, I've been writing script nikiwa high school. Kwa sababu high school nilikuanga drama club. So nilikuanga naandika script. So nilikujanga Nairobi, nilikujanga na hizo books. Hiyo time when nilinyimwa kazi huko, nikaangalia tu vitabu zangu. Nikasema, what if I start doing this thing na naiweka pale TikTok ama Instagram ama YouTube ama Facebook, whichever, nitakuwa wapi? And now someone advised me akaniambia, I'd love uanze kuweka video TikTok. Naomi Odero, big up. Naomi Odero. That's the lady who alinimenta akaniambia, I want you to start doing TikTok videos. Kama unajua vizuri you can do it. Start recording short clips na unarusha. With only 3 months utaona you are somewhere. People will start recognizing you. You'll start becoming popular. Now forget ile kunyimwa kazi yenye umenyimwa huko, achana nayo. Anza kufanya short clips. Yeah, na utaona within 3 months or only after 5 months utaona wewe ni nani hapa Nairobi.
Yeah.
That's what I started doing. I started recording video na nazirusha online. Na record video nazirusha TikTok, YouTube, Instagram and Facebook zote. And now here I am still doing it.
All right. That one is a story how this man became to be one of the famous Luo comedians that we have so far.
Yeah.
What I can say is that we are going for a short break and we are coming back. So tell them we are coming shortly after the break.
We are coming shortly after the break. We are back once again.
Welcome back to our normal show of today. It's called the Super Sato. For those people that maybe have just joined, what you can do is to share. The person that we have in the house today is this young man, the talented, multi-talented guy by the name Kalausi or Kalausi if you like. He's there on YouTube. Is there on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook.
Exactly.
Aye, take a sip of water.
Leo nimetumia glass. Ni kama mvua itanyesha hii Nairobi. Omari hapo.
No, you know, one on one always give people opportunity, eh?
Haiwezi mwagika.
No.
Uko si waaje?
No. It cannot.
Ndio naogopa. Nimezoea plastic.
Alright, that one is Kalausi or the Kalausi. So Kalausi, we reached at that point that you started your comedy.
Yeah.
Now tell us, this comedy thing that you're now in fully, is it paying or you are still doing it for passion?
I'm still doing it and nikijua God will make a way. On YouTube, nilisha monetize channel. Yeah. So for YouTube, hapo sina shida yote because I know at the end of the month I'll be getting something for the good work I've done for a whole month. No.
Heko. It is 21 days.
Yeah.
Not even for a whole month. 21 days.
21 days. Yeah.
YouTube do pay 21 days. And after 21 days,
you get something.
After 21 days, you get something. The YouTubers knows that.
So you need to know. You need to know this thing. Ukianza kitu, usianze na haraka kidogo.
No, do you know why I've laughed? There are some people that were saying, "Oh, Omari, since you began earning from YouTube, nowadays you've changed, blah blah blah."
Blah blah blah.
For your information, let me also tell them that I've never gotten anything from YouTube. I don't earn anything. In fact, I don't earn from YouTube. still do it for passion, knowing very well that in near future I'll get something. So don't be mistaken that if you see me maybe posting a content daily, then you think that I do that because maybe there is something that I'm getting or not now.
Not even you. Don't ever think that anyone who is posting something funny or who is making fun or entertaining on internet is earning something. There are those people who are still upcoming and they want to explore their talent. Ndio muwajue, muwapatie that opportunity. Muwapatie that subscription. Musubscribe kwa channel zao, muwafollow wherever kwa platform zao. So don't ever think that ukiona tu video ya msee yoyote iwe ni TikTok, online nini useme huyu akona do.
Akona do.
We are on the process. We are in the process ya kufika huko kwenye hiyo do inatoka. Ndio sasa sisi pia tuipate tukule kwa yale jasho ambayo tumemwaga huko nyuma.
And somebody has been asking me, and you know, when we talk of TikTok, then I believe you are senior compared to me, you know. With me, I've only dominated the YouTube part. But now tell us more about this TikTok. Is it also paying?
TikTok is only paying after you've been verified. You've been given the blue tick. That's when TikTok is paying. But still, you can also earn. You can earn on TikTok on this way. By the time you are going live, you are streaming live on TikTok. Fans are sending you gifts. The rose flowers, the golds, and the nini. Those gifts, it can reach a certain point where you can withdraw them from USD dollars to cash. It will depend how have you saved it. Nona. Are you getting me? 1 USD dollar is 113 bob Kenya shillings. So it will be upon you to save it, whether you like it will reach to 20 or 30 or 50. Ukiona you are having $50 on your TikTok balance, you can withdraw it. Are you getting? You withdraw it by going to PayPal. Uende tu hapo kwa balance, tap withdraw. It will direct you to PayPal. Withdraw it na weka kwa your PayPal account. Visit your PayPal account, transfer the money from USD dollars to Kenya shillings. It will come direct to your account.
Your M-Pesa.
Hiyo ni pesa.
No, your M-Pesa.
Your M-Pesa. Itakuja kwa your M-Pesa.
Vile unaongea ni kama ushapata hizi.
Mimi nishaonja hii ya TikTok. Hii gift nishayo.
Gift mafans wanakutumia.
Ile nikiwa live napiga story na wao, ma gift ndio hiyo. Kidogo kidogo rose flower. Kidogo kidogo gold. Kidogo manini. So nilitembelea tu cha nini balance tu nikaona
bwana naanza TikTok live naanza TikTok live.
Nilienda huko nikaona nimefika $20. Hii ni kama 2400. Nili withdraw that immediately. Na ilifanyika in 3 days. 2400. 2400. Kwenda tu live 3 days nikapata hizo gift. So kwenda live 3 days nilipata hizo gift na nikazisanya. Nilienda job Omari nikakosa 1 bob. Nikakosa hata fare. Nikaingia pale TikTok na kitu kaniambia. Okay, vile niliingia TikTok, end live na sikuendanga ile side ya nini you can withdraw your earnings. So kuingia pale, that information bado liko hapo juu. TikTok bado ananiambia withdraw your earnings. Unaona? Kutap hapo nikaona niko na $20. Kwenda kwa PayPal nikaona this $20 nikiwithdraw inaweza kuja 2400. Na sasa hiyo venye nimesota nilitoa hiyo 2400.
Alright. Wewe ushaonja pesa ya TikTok.
Nimeonja. I can say nimeonja.
So what are some of the conditions that maybe the TikTok team wants for them to approve your
First of all, msidhanieti sasa that 2400 ati ni pesa ya mwezi mzima. No, niyo tu nilipata ya kwenda live for 3 days. I got that. TikTok, for you to be verified, TikTok wants something ambayo inaitwa high increase in followers. Hata ukigoogle itakwambia inataka an increase of 500 followers to 2000 a day per day. Unanipata? Ndio upewe blue tick. 500 to 2000 increase of followers.
Then they just blue tick you.
Yeah. But si ati na siku moja inafaa iende hivyo for a week, why record for 1 week. Like leo umepata increase of followers, kama leo umepata watu 700. The following day watu 800. The following day watu 900. Hivyo unaweza kufikia verification. Wao wanataka even from 500 to 2000. Naona ifanyike hivyo in 7 days you can get verified. Yeah.
There is this thing that somebody was talking about, the Omboti the comedian. I'll be with him in the next few days. You know Omboti the comedian?
Omboti the comedian, I know,
aka Chief.
Friend. Yeah.
Yeah. So Chief, we've also talked with him, and you know, I've been following you people. So Chief said something that don't like my videos.
Yeah.
You tap at once.
Don't spam like. You need to spam like. Yeah. By the time una spam like those TikTok videos, TikTok itself itaona hizi video zote hazina content, zinakuwa pulled down. Unaona? Ama TikTok itaona hizi video zote ni one content. Hata iwe ulipiga moja nyumbani, content nyingine ukapiga ukiwa home, nini tao, nyingine ukapiga ukiwa Kayole, but watu wamekuja wakaspam like tu hivi, wao ni kupita tu wanadhani tu all you need is likes. TikTok itaona hizi video zote ni one content, inazi pull down, ama you can be blocked. Unaona? What you should do on TikTok, pay attention to that content instead of spam liking. Aya basi you watch na usi like. You are free to watch na usi like. Kuja uniambie uliniona kwa TikTok, but don't tell me that you spam like my video.
Na love.
It's the same thing, hiyo ndio ku like. Hiyo love ndio ku like, yeah. So, you watch na usi like. Achana nayo.
Usifinye hapo kwa love. Unajua ukisema like hata mimi nilichanganyikiwa like au. So don't there is a sign of love there.
That love hiyo ndo like. Kumaanisha umeipenda.
Umeipenda. So don't
spam like. If you want to like it, then ngoja video iplay, watch. Ikikubamba, peana like na urushe comment. Kama haijakubamba, skip. You are free to swipe, watch ingine. Haulazimishwi ku like video ya mtu, haulazimishwi. Don't spam like video ya mtu. Unaona hata ile type yenye ile ati video imekuja kwako, umeona I know this person, poop, menda. No, don't do that. Watch it for at least even 20 seconds pekee. Acha basi 20 seconds ipite tu.
20 seconds.
Yeah. Bora tu imeanza kuplay.
We are now giving you a lesson on TikTok. You know, there is something that you can do, thinking that you are promoting an artist, but only to realize that you kill that person. That is why we want you people to be very keen, because I heard that person really crying that, you know, there is somebody that loved or liked a lot of videos at a given point, at a given minute.
1 minute we shall like videos.
1 minute umependa kama hata tuseme tu
20. Seriously, kwani hizo video ni za sekunde moja.
That one is not accepted.
It is not accepted.
We also learn, you know, we also learn from what we do. Or just like, press that love button, wait it for some minutes, then go to another one. Also,
or watch it first, do you like?
Alright.
Or you can just watch it and don't like. Still it will be counted to me as a watch hours. No. You TikTok pia inahesabu watch hours.
In TikTok you also have watch hours.
Yeah. Na TikTok pia inahesabu views. Like mimi kwa saa hiyo on TikTok I'm having 7.5 million views. 7.5 million views. Yeah.
But why is it that they are not giving you blue tick, my brother?
So, you cannot tell. Mimi unajua the reason why hizo zimefika hapo because of the videos videos zangu za zimetrend, zingine zimepata 1 million views. Like there is this trending sound yenye sahi ili kuna this US lady mwenye aliduet nayo iko na 3.4 million views. So unajua hiyo ndio trend bado inafanya
hiyo ni gani hata mimi nataka
complete and finished.
Exactly, I saw it.
Yeah, complete and finished. Yeah.
There is difference between complete and finished and completely finished.
No English dictionary has been able to explain the difference between complete and finished.
No, you're always not talking that way. Give me your voice that you always.
Unajua vizuri ulimeza sauti yangu jana kwa microphone kwa show bana. Unajua.
By the way, tulikuwa kwa Elisha Toto. Today we'll be
launch with Odongo Swag Nyambita Chwade Ginyundo.
So don't worry. That's how we do it. That is how we do it. We always walk in different places anytime you meet us, just be free to associate with us. Just come with us. We don't have any class.
In Nairobi tunatembea kama Masai.
Yeah. But once in a while. Kutuona pale unaweza tuona vizuri ni kwa channel zetu na one-on-one. Super Sato. You just give me the comment of the, maybe tell me the person that you want me to bring here and I'll host that guy. You know? Now tell me, the difference, there is no dictionary.
No English dictionary has been able to explain the difference between complete and finished. Even Omari always say that there is no difference, but there is.
So I want you to do this. You tell me where to say
Hapo kwa hiyo clip hakuna malipa It was just like that.
But pale when you are finishing, say
hapo kwa inamalizia ndo mshtuko.
Oh, sawa. So I'm waiting for that last part.
No English dictionary has been able to explain the difference between complete and finished. Even Omari has been saying that there is no difference, but there is. You see, when you marry a good woman, you are complete. But when you marry a wrong wife, you are finished. When your wife catches you with another woman, you are completely finished. But when you marry a woman who loves shopping so much, my friend, you are finished completely.
No, that's what we say.
Jesus.
That one is Kalausi. Kalausi. Being that this thing is not paying you fully, what do you do to at least sustain yourself in Nairobi, take something home? Sometimes you can also get something to relax with, like now we are taking water.
I'm still hustling. Apart from comedy, mean that comedy is still not paying yet, though I'll never give up on it or with it. I'm doing a side hustle. Bado hustle. Naendanga Gikomba kubeba mzigo bado. And after kubeba mzigo, natoka Gikomba kama nisha shoot a clip. Nimerecord na huko. So nikikuja kwa side hustle ya huku, na ile time nimeketi pale, nafanya ku edit na ku upload. Hiyo time ya sasa nangoja customer akuje. Okay, side ya huku I do sell shoes. This is what I do. Nazitafuta Gikomba, kuja nazingalisha vizuri, and I sell them. Kuna zingine na posting online. Yeah.
So apart from cameraman tafadhali, may you ensure that these things are being seen. Unaziuza pesa ngapi kama hii?
Kuna ya 400. I sell them at a cheaper price. Yeah. Kuna za 400, 300.
Cameraman.
They can see it. Anaizona vizuri. Or I can just tell them like this. So apart from comedy, nikikuja Kayole, nikikuja mtaa nyumbani, this is what I do.
So you do sell this one?
Yeah, I do sell this thing.
Yeah.
So many of my fans, washanipita pale Greenspan, hiyo footpath ya Greenspan kukuja Bicenter. Hapo ndio mimi ukalia. Nazipanganga tu hapo chini. Kuna hadi zile zenye nauzanga 100. Wengi wamenipita hapo nikiimba beba na 100 kiatu ni 100. Yes. Kupima ni bure, kuangalia ni bure, kutamani ni bure, kwenda nayo ndio pesa.
Naweza pata ile ambayo inanitosha kweli?
Yes, you can. Unavaa size?
Size 42.
42 size ina. I'm having 41. Yeah.
Hebu tujaribu 41. I want to promote, you know.
I don't know if you love this. Sijui kama hii itakubamba. I don't know if it's your color.
Ni vile tu haita nitosha.
Ni ndogo.
Ni ndogo.
Omari ako na miguu.
We are doing promotion.
Omari ako na miguu amenishinda. Yeye wenzake wakitembea, yeye ana slap dunia.
Cannot.
Haiwezi feel.
But I would have promoted you. I love this. I love this one.
When I go back to market, I'll find your size.
What you do if you know you want to promote Kalausi? Kalausi is selling shoes,
Yeah.
For men or both, unisex.
Both. I do sell both. Ya wanaume, ya wanawake na watoto pia.
Yeah. Give them their number, your number, please. Or your number is not public.
My number is public, bwana. Yeah, you can WhatsApp me. Uniambia size yenye unataka. My WhatsApp number is 07-952-04813. 952-04813.
Yeah.
Or you can call direct. Don't confuse. Ile ya kwanza ni ya WhatsApp. Na sasa kuna yenye ukipiga inaingia direct. Ya direct calls ni 07-48-92-19-25. 48-92-19-25.
Yeah. Anajiita Kalausi. What he does in Nairobi is to sell shoes, and he's living well and still doing the comedy. There are some people that are saying they're just getting into comedy. Pop! How much will we be paid? If Omari has been doing this thing for all those days, and I've never been paid in social media, and you are just getting into it, and you started asking, like somebody is coming, Omari, so nikija nifanye kazi na wewe utanilipa aje? I'll not pay you because I'm not paid. You do with me, or
ile tutaanza kulipwa,
tutakula pamoja. But as we talk, I'm not being paid. I pay you nothing.
Asante. I pay you asante.
I pay you asante. I can give you connection. I show you to the world. That's what I do.
You also be a brand.
Yeah, you also be a brand. Take your time building your brand. Do not take much of your effort trying to build the pocket, and you have nothing to show people.
Pesa huisha. Na marafiki hudumu.
Now, watu wanauliza, why is it that you always love to
Let's go.
Why is it that you always love to do your clips in English?
The reason why I chose to do it in English, I started with Kiswahili because I wanted this thing to trend countrywide. Sikutaka kuifanya in vernacular kwa sababu nikifanya in vernacular, it will only trend around Nyanza itself. Unaona? Nikifanya kwa Kijaluo, ni wase wa Nyanza tu ndio wanasikia Kijaluo. Mkikuyu will not understand Kijaluo. Mkamba doesn't know even a single word of Luo. Anajua tu na ng'ombe rainya. Sasa ukianza kuongea zile za ndani ajui unasema nini. That's why I chose to do this thing in Kiswahili, so that everybody can get to know the new mind or the new idea or the new comedian in the industry. Mwenye anakuja kwa field side, the new comedian in the field. And I also turned to English. Siku hizi napiga hadi na English, but with accent ya Kijaluo. The reason why I'm doing that is because venye niliona moja ili trend ikapendwa hadi na that US lady. Venye alifanya duet ikapata 3.4 million views. Now I realize that kuifanya in English also making me to trend worldwide. Yeah.
So we can say
I can go past Africa.
Past
Africa.
So we can say Kalausi to the world.
Kalausi to the world, exactly.
Not Kalausi to Africa.
Not Kalausi to the Africa.
Or it's Kalausi to Kenya.
No. It's Kalausi to the world.
Kalausi to the world.
Yeah.
We appreciate so much. That one is Kalausi or Kalausi. And Kalausi, just to go deep a little bit. Are you married?
No, I'm not married.
You are single?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm not married.
Single and searching?
No, single and not available. Single and not available. I'm only married to this comedy stuff. I'm married to my comedy.
So if you want to make a relation with Kalausi, ensure that you only come with comedy.
You only come with comedy.
Only that.
Hiyo tutaoana vizuri. Yeah.
Okay.
But ukileta ba feelings, nisikudanganye. You will be crying. You will complain that sikupay attention. Because this comedy thing needs attention, time, consistency, passion. Unataka kujituma. So by the time you start complaining at I'm not checking on you, sikupay time yangu. Kwani when life gone, I should check on you after every 10 minutes? I have to do this comedy because this is my future. We are chasing our future.
Yeah. Tell these people that we are bringing them something new. We can try it here. Eh?
We are bringing you something hot. It is preparing in the kitchen. Omeroliet. Ni
Kali,
moto.
ni noma.
It is hot. Ulisikia mbona mtu anakisema I'm hot. Like a hito. Yo sasa, it's coming. It is coming. Stay tuned.
We were trying to tell you that, you know, if you're a lady and you don't have your behind, no better that one because
it's a jobless. That's
so we can decide, we can give them a little bit.
Tuwapatie ngoma. Kwa Kijaluo ama Kiswahili?
Both.
Ni kazi bure. Ni kazi bure.
Acha nianze, alafu nipe backup.
Wewe ndio nakupa backup kwa sababu mimi sauti yangu haniruhusu kuanza.
Oh, hey. And teach manono, and teach manono, and maongo sienya, and teach manono,
and teach manono,
and teach manono, nyako maongo sienya, and teach manono. Yawa ni ngato nyalo bedo nyako, nyako mabera inya, bernino kiongo sienya, and teach manono,
and teach manono, and teach manono. Nyako kiongo senya and teach manono.
Yawa ni ngato nyalo wiro poda.
Watch ne?
Iwiro mabera inya to potino
kiongo senya and teach manono. And teach manono. And teach manono. Nyako kiongo senya and teach manono.
Ngato nyalo bedo nyako. Nyako malanda Latino kiongo senya and teach manono.
And teach manono. And teach manono. Nyako kiongo senya and teach manono.
Oh, ni kazi bure. Ni kazi bure.
Ni kazi.
Msichana bila nash. Kazi bure.
Ni kazi bure. Ni kazi bure. Msichana bila haga. Ni kazi.
Msichana bila haga.
Bila nyash, bila haga.
Sasa tutumie gani?
Haga.
Ni kazi bure. Ni kazi bure. Msichana bila haga. Ni kazi bure. Ni kazi bure. Ni kazi bure. Msichana bila haga. Ni kazi bure.
Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
All right, we really appreciate you so much for those people who tuned in. And before I finish, I'll want to give this guy at least some few minutes to talk to his fans and for any other person that may be may want to join him and support this person here. If you know you've been supporting me, this guy is now at around 1 K subscribers on YouTube. What you can do to this guy, run to his YouTube channel, subscribe, because there is somebody who once told me that, Omari, you know you are not successful until your successor becomes successful. And so I would really appreciate if this guy one day will say that, you know, it's Omari that made me reach where I am now. I think it will be very good. Yeah, with me I appreciate so much because I'm on my way to 14,000 subscribers, and I really appreciate. So what I would request those people that subscribed on my YouTube channel or to my YouTube channel, you can as well go to his YouTube channel and subscribe. It is not a sin to subscribe to anybody.
It is costless.
It is costless. And it is also my request for those people that are following him on the TikTok that you do the same
to Omari. MC Omari Nash.
My brother, take this time, talk to these people.
All right, guys. Thank you, MC Omari Nash, for this beautiful day. I want to appreciate you guys for the endless support and love that you've been showing me. May God bless you. I really want to appreciate you because right now we are on our way to 5,000 subscribers on YouTube, and we are on our way to 200,000 followers on TikTok. May God bless you all, and I'd really request you to show the same love to Omari's TikTok account. Follow him. Go watch his clips. The amazing job he's doing there. Thank you guys. I don't have much, but I just humble myself as I say thank you all. May God bless you.
All right, we are now ending our show. That was so wow. It was so wow, and we appreciate you people for the support that you've shown us. If it were not you, then I've been telling you that we cannot keep on having this show. It is only because you people have been watching, and that is why you keep on motivating us. At least we can say that you are steering us towards towards achieving our goal. Without you, we are useless. Thank you so much for those people who tuned in. Continue sharing this show, because I hope that one day it will be amazing platform for everyone in this country and even worldwide, as you've been told by my brother here, Kaka Luis. Kaka Luis, you will tell them there that every Saturday we are live with MC Omari Nash. You can say that every Saturday to go live na MC Omari Nash.
Every Saturday, we go live with one and only MC Omari Nash.
Yes.
Stay tuned.
Kwa Super Sato.
Super Sato. We call it Super Sato.
Kuanzia saa tatu kamili. Alright. See you guys next time. The same place, same place, same time.
Same place, same time, same person. You are the host.
Okay.
Same host.
See you guys. Same time, same place, same person.
Same host.
Same host. We love you guys so much. Thank you very much.